welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your hydroponics supply store. If you run a hydroponics supply store, then manually responding to all the product inquiries and sharing setup guides can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will share setup guides and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for hydroponics supply store. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I've sent a general message like hi, and our chatbot responds us with welcome to Grow Pure Hydroponics. Looking to start or upgrade your hydroponics setup? We are here to help. Please choose an option below, and it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says nutrients info. And our chatbot provides us with all the nutrients info such as grow X A plus B, wet state, flowering or pH down solution. Next, I'm going to click on place an order, and it has provided us with a clickable link to order directly. Next, I'm going to click on grow lights, and our chatbot responds us with grow lights. Please choose from LED panel, full spectrum, grow light combo kit. And here we also have an option to place an order. I'm going to click on it again, and it will provide us with a clickable link to place an order directly. Next, I'm going to select the last option that says setup guide, and our chatbot responds us with need help setting up, download our free starter guide here. And it has provided us with the downloadable setup guide. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for hydroponics supply store. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on add WhatsApp number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for your hydroponics supply store. On the screen there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords to activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex and from here you can choose any template to send to the user. Now we are going to curate our first message with the help of text button. And here I am going to add a welcome message. Like this, and it will appear like this to the user, and here I have added these little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here with the help of add button, I am going to add some quick reply options like this, and now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option. So let's begin with nutrients info, and for this I'm going to access the text button from here, and here I'm going to add all the nutrients info like this, and it will appear like this to the user. And here with the help of add button I'm going to provide an option to place an order like this. So now we are going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to provide a link to place an order. I'm going to add star signs to make it appear more presentable, and it will appear like this to the user, and here is the direct link to place the order. Next, I'm going to select grow lights option, and for this I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to provide all the details like this, and it will appear like this to the user, and here we have also provided an option to place the order. So I'm going to link it to the same response that we curated earlier to place an order. And lastly, I'm going to curate a response for setup guide, and for this I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to provide a link for the setup guide again, which will appear like this to the user. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for Hydroponics supply store with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your chatbot, you can save your flow from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.